As soon as I saw this dual leash, I knew I had to grab it. I used to have a retractable leash, and it worked out really well. It had a swivel like this, and each of the two leashes was retractable on its own lockout. The other one I had was a little bit heavier duty, and it just wore out after a long time of use. A lot of people don't like these retractable leashes, but my dogs are really well behaved, and this works out perfect for walking two dogs. What I like about this one is it seems just as solid and secure as the other one I had, but it also has this little come out thing where you can refill it with poop bags, and it also has this LED flashlight built in, so you can leave it off if you want, or you can just lock it into place here, and it's going to be either up top or down below. I like to leave it down below. A nice little way to keep track when you're walking, or if somebody's running off, you can see what they're looking at, and you've got bags right away. So I really like this. Hope this helps.